Both the productivity and the sustainability of sow farms is under continuous pressure. Sow farmers have responded to this with improved nutrition, with improved management and with improved genetics, but nevertheless, mortality around the birth process continues to be a serious challenge for the industry. Trouw Nutrition, we're studying the effect of Gestawean OxiLiv in order to reduce mortality around the birth process.
Together with a number of my Trouw Nutrition colleagues, we have designed a research program, and this was designed specifically to find underlying causes of stillbirth. So for example, one of the things we found is that when parturition takes very long, there is a higher risk of piglets being stillborn. So time is a crucial factor, and this is also reflected in the fact that piglets that are born late in the birth order have a higher risk of being stillborn. And the main factor that explains this time effect is oxygenation of the piglets. Piglets with poor oxygenation tend to have a higher risk of pre-weaning mortality. Based on our findings, we have developed a product called Gestawean OxiLiv. And Gestawean OxiLiv is a mix of molecules in a patented formula. This mix is supplemented to the drinking water of the sows from around 5 days before farrowing until the sows have finished farrowing. And the purpose of the product is to improve the conditions around farrowing, and by doing that it improves the oxygenation of the piglets, reduces the risk of stillbirth and improves the pre-weaning mortality of the piglets. To test Gestawean OxiLiv, we performed 2 trials at the Trouw Nutrition Swine Research Center.
We ran a trial at our research farm with 2 groups of 30 sows, where one group was treated with the Gestawean OxiLiv from 5 days before the expected farrowing date till farrowing. The other group was the control group. Together with my colleagues, we collected data of piglets born alive and born dead per litter. We found an increase in piglets born alive of 0.6 piglets per litter for the group treated with the Gestawean OxiLiv compared to the control group. We also recorded pre-weaning mortality rate. For the piglets born from the sows treated with Gestawean OxiLiv, we saw a reduction in mortality of 0.4 piglets per litter.
If we add up the extra piglets born alive, as well as the reduction in pre-wean mortality at the time of weaning, we achieve 1 extra piglet weaned. This is really an impressive result. And to confirm this, we designed a second trial with a similar design.
In the second study, we included 36 sows per group. We also found an increase in born alive of 0.6 piglet per litter and a decrease in pre-weaning mortality of 0.2 piglet. This results for the sows treated with the Gestawean OxiLiv in an extra of 0.8 piglet weaned at the end of the suckling period.
The reduction in pre-wean mortality could be caused by an improved colostrum intake in the piglets. We expect that piglets that are born to a sow on Gestawean OxiLiv, because of the improved oxygenation, have a better condition at birth, and this could improve the colostrum intake. To estimate this, in our second trial, we measured colostrum intake, and we did this by weighing the piglets at birth and again 24 hours after birth. With the increase in weight in this period, you can estimate colostrum intake of individual piglets. Now, in this second trial, we found that the colostrum intake was increased. Normally, we think that piglets should drink at least 250 grams of colostrum. In the control group, 14% of the piglets were drinking less than this 250 grams. Whereas in the piglets on Gestawean OxiLiv, the percentage was only 7%. So there were more piglets drinking above this minimum of 250 grams colostrum.
Gestawean OxiLiv could become a very valuable management tool for farmers around the world to improve both productivity and sustainability. We are currently carrying out trials around the world to confirm these data. Hopefully we'll get the same results.